Good evening. This video is evening, no matter what time it is. Okay. Gotta pick this hell thing. This is a USPS 117 tool C. You know, on the mailbox. Got one of these on mine, except it's a little bit of a different model. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I have not picked this. It's not gonna work either. Here's what I'll do. I have not picked this ball. I don't even know what's going on here. Okay, it's got some pins. You know, I'm gonna I have no idea if I'm pitching it the right way or what. Oh, there it is. That's quick. Go.
Do you hear me?
Go. Close up. Okay. I'll fix that later because I have a package. I'll try to get it on camera. You know what? That's for not too dead. Just in case I fail at that. Or the thing.
My heart's beating, my hands are shaking, but I'm still shooting. I'm still getting the headshots. It's like boom.
You know, I'm no expert, but I don't think that's a fucking bird. Huh.
What are you doing? I'm ordering a rubber chicken.
This one's for not too dead.